Hey guys, it's Laura here from Harassed Mom, and I have Emma with me and Jack. They're going to be helping us cook today. What are we making today, guys?
Pork stir fry.
With McCains vegetables. Okay, so quickly show you what we're using. We're using the McCains Hawaiian stir fry. We've got our pork strips.
Chicken.
Some chopped up onions. We use coconut oil, but whatever oil you use will work. Some salt and sweet chili sauce and some soy sauce. And we also have some chopped up garlic that I've had from the freezer that we're going to be using. Okay, first up, Jack's going to take out some coconut oil for us so that we can start with that.
It smells like coconut. It smells good.
Okay, Jack's going to put the coconut oil in the pan for us. Okay, we need a little bit more than that. So let's just quickly. Okay.
It tastes like coconut. It smells like coconut, so it's just going to taste like coconut.
Okay. So.
Had no flavor.
Okay, Emma's doing a bit of a taste test here on the coconut oil. Come tell us, what does it taste like, Em?
No flavor.
Okay, just gonna chuck the onions in so long while this is going. Okay, so this specific McCain's meal does not have onions in, which is why I'm adding onions in. I know some of them I think do have, so you can just check it, and if your family don't eat onions, you don't have to add the onions in. Okay.
We're back.
Okay, so I've just popped the pork strips in. We've browned them nicely with the onion and the garlic, and it's smelling amazing. Okay, so once your pork strips are brown,
it's smelling amazing.
Okay, then you can take your soy sauce and you add in a couple of shakes.
Ooh.
Okay. And then give it a bit of a stir again. Okay, and then add in some sweet chili sauce. Okay. And some salt. You're in the way.
I'm just stopping you. Don't stand there.
Okay, cool. And then you just mix that all in. Then you take your McCain stir fry. I'm using the whole bag because we are many people in this house. And you just throw it in. And you give it a mix.
It's frozen.
It is frozen. Mix it all in.
Okay, I'm actually starting to like how that looks. Cool.
Cool. Jack's nearly won over. He wasn't too keen on this when we started, but he's seen how it's been made. Okay. Alright. Okay, and then you just bring it, it's gonna heat through, and then you can, I'm just gonna leave that for a bit. We are having it with rice. I've cooked the rice already earlier on today. So we're going to be having it with some basmati rice. And then once it starts to bubble here from the sauce, you just take your lid of your pot, pop it on, and you leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes so that it can heat through. The veggies don't need long to cook because you also don't want to make stew. They must be nice and crispy. And then you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with Jack and Emma and I.